Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are going to teach you some common English phrases, sentences, and vocabulary. So let's start. Believe in Allah. Believe in Allah. You can say like that, believe in God. If you are not Muslim, you can say believe in God. If you are Muslim, so you can say believe in Allah. Allah पर यकीन रखो. Allah पर यकीन रखो. Allah पर यकीन रखो. Believe in Allah. Don't chew gum. Don't chew gum. Bubble mat chabao. Bubble mat chabao. Bubble mat chabao. Give us the gate key. Give us the gate key. हमें दरवाजे की चाबी दो. हमें दरवाजे की चाबी दो. हमें दरवाजे की चाबी दो. One more time, I'm going to repeat all three sentences. So listen carefully. First one, Allah पर यकीन रखो. Allah पर यकीन रखो. It means believe in Allah. Okay. Second one, bubble mat chabao. Bubble mat chabao. What is mean? How can we say in English? Don't chew gum. Okay. And the third one, हमें दरवाजे की चाबी दो. हमें दरवाजे की चाबी दो. हमें दरवाजे की चाबी दो. Next, don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. How can we say in Urdu? मुझसे बात मत करो. मुझसे बात मत करो. मुझसे बात मत करो. Don't talk to me. Next, don't talk to him. Don't talk to him. उससे बात मत करो. उससे बात मत करो. And one more thing I want to say about one more thing. If you want to say don't talk to her, so the same Urdu for her also. Like if I say don't talk to her, अगर मैं if I say don't talk to her, so we can say in Urdu same situation, same sentence like उससे बात मत करो. For him and for her, we use same Urdu in this sentence. उससे बात मत करो. उससे बात मत करो. उससे बात मत करो. If you say don't talk to him, you say उससे बात मत करो. If you say don't talk to her, you also say उससे बात मत करो. So the two sentence and one Urdu. उससे बात मत करो. उससे बात मत करो. Okay. Next, don't worry. Don't worry. बेफिक्र रहो. परेशान मत हो. There are two Urdu for this word, this expression. Don't worry. Don't worry. How to say in Urdu? बेफिक्र रहो. बेफिक्र रहो. बेफिक्र रहो. Okay. And the second way to say परेशान मत हो. Okay. बेफिक्र रहो. Don't worry. Next, are you mad? क्या तुम पागल हो? क्या तुम पागल हो? Are you mad? क्या तुम पागल हो? You are mad. You are absolutely mad. Oh, I'm sure you are mad. So you can say like this. तुम पागल हो. How can we say in Urdu you are mad? It means तुम पागल हो. तुम, you, आर हो पागल, मैड तुम पागल हो. नेक्स्ट, anyway, anyway. Mostly Urdu speakers use this word in Urdu speaking. They never say barhal, they always say anyway. They use English expression in Urdu, okay? Mostly Pakistani and Indians use this word in their Urdu and Hindi speaking. Anyway, anyway, barhal, barhal, barhal. Next, come up, होश में आओ, होश में आओ, come up, होश में आओ, come up, होश में आओ. Next, we are best in the world, we are best in the world. हम दुनिया में सबसे अच्छे हैं, हम दुनिया में सबसे अच्छे हैं, हम दुनिया में सबसे अच्छे हैं. नेक्स्ट, as you wish, as you wish, जैसी तुम्हारी मर्जी, जैसी तुम्हारी मर्जी, जैसी तुम्हारी मर्जी. नेक्स्ट, it is up to you, it's up to you. ये तुम पर है, ये तुम पर है, ये तुम पर है. It's up to you, ये तुम पर है. Feed the dog, feed the dog. कुत्ते को खाना खिलाओ, कुत्ते को खाना खिलाओ, कुत्ते को खाना खिलाओ. Okay, now it's time for golden words. Thinking is to do something is the first step of achievement. If you want to be successful, if you want to success, so you have to think and you have to do something, because something is the first step of achievement. If you do not do anything, you will not get anything. If you do anything, you will get everything. So I can believe in you, I believe in you. You can speak Urdu like a native speaker if you believe in yourself. First thing, you have to build confidence. You have to be think like a native speaker. You don't need to hesitate. You don't need to afraid. You have to speak and speak and speak. Whether you speak correct or incorrect, it doesn't matter. So I can assure you, you can speak like a native speaker if you try and if you don't afraid. Okay, so please try this at home. Use these sentences in your English or whatever you speak, use in your native language. You can use these sentences in your native language. So in this way you can improve Urdu. You can speak Urdu. Whenever you use these phrases, sentences and expression in your own language, in this way you can speak like a native speaker. You can speak Urdu as soon as possible. So I hope you will speak and don't worry about mistake. Okay, just speak. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, assalamu alaikum.